So David, what are you doing?
Old school. Old school filing.
And why are you filing?
I'm rounding the edge right now and cleaning up where I can't reach with the power tool. Before I go in there with some emery paper.
You look pretty hot. How long have you been out here doing this?
Since 1 o'clock.
It's about 3:30 now. Have you been working on this one gear the whole time?
No, I finished this one off. Got all the insides filed ready for the sandpaper. And then I got started on this one. This is going to take forever. It's complicated.
Beauty's never simple.
Of course not. I guess I could get the carving tool out here and do it that way too. It's really, really small. Actually cooled off a little.